If you are looking for a list of great shade perennials that are root tolerant and best growing plants for under tree areas, watch this video till the end for 15 wonderful plants. I would be listing plant names, zoning information and plant growth details. All you have to do is watch the video and drop a like to it. Painted ferns. Ferns are excellent for shady areas, adding lush, feathery texture and a sense of calm to the garden. Ferns offer a great variety of options to suit different garden conditions. They work well in woodland gardens, shaded borders, and containers. Plant different varieties from ferns family to add visual interest for under tree areas. Check some of these wonderful ferns. Astilbe is a popular shade-loving perennial that is highly valued for its attractive fern-like, deeply divided leaves that stay lush throughout the growing season. Some varieties have bronzed or reddish-tinted leaves, adding to their ornamental appeal. Astilbe produces tall fluffy, plume-like flowers in shades of pink, white, purple, and red. These blooms rise above the foliage, creating a striking visual contrast, and can last several weeks during summer season. Dicentra, commonly known as bleeding heart, is a charming perennial, known for its unique heart-shaped flowers and graceful, delicate foliage. Dicentra is famous for its dangling, heart-shaped flowers with a teardrop-like drop at the bottom. These blooms come in shades of pink, red, or white and typically appear in spring to early summer. Bleeding heart is perfect for adding a whimsical, classic look to shaded gardens with its distinct flowers and soft foliage. Ajaga, also known as Ajaga bugleweed, is a versatile, low-growing ground cover that thrives in shade to partial shade, making it an excellent option for planting under trees. Evergreen in many climates, with varieties offering foliage in colors like dark green, burgundy, bronze, and even variegated. You could look for Ajaga chocolate chip, Ajaga burgundy glow, and Ajaga Catlin's giant are few popular varieties from Ajaga family. Lungwort pulmonaria, a versatile perfect ground cover with unique look, that thrives in shaded areas, where it can create a lush, green carpet with seasonal color. Plant along shaded garden borders or under the trees to add texture and early spring color. Lungwort produces clusters of small, tubular flowers that change color as they age, often starting as pink and turning blue or violet. The foliage is its standout feature, with leaves often spotted with silverish color. Enjoy its unique foliage and early spring blooms, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of shaded areas. Japanese forest grass, also known as Hakone grass, is a beautiful ornamental grass that thrives in shaded or partially shaded areas, making it a great option for growing under trees. It's prized for its graceful arching bamboo-like leaves and its soft flowing appearance. This grass adds movement and texture to shaded garden areas, and is particularly valued for its striking color, and blending perfectly with most shade area plants. Foamy bells is a hybrid plant, a cross between coral bells and foamflower. It combines the best qualities of both parents, offering beautiful foliage, attractive flowers, and excellent shade tolerance, making it a great choice for growing under trees. The foliage is deeply lobed and comes in a variety of colors, including shades of green, bronze, purple, and silver. Many varieties have variegated or veined leaves that change colors throughout the seasons. Dead nettle, also known as lamium, is a versatile and attractive ground cover, known for its colorful foliage and delicate flowers. Dead nettle produces small, tubular flowers in shades of white, pink, or purple, typically blooming in late spring to summer. The foliage is often variegated, with silvery white markings on green leaves, providing year-round interest. A perfect container plant for shade areas. It thrives in shaded areas and adds interest to garden beds and borders. Begonias are a wonderful option to plant along the tree area borders, or partially shaded areas, where they can add color and interest. Begonias are a diverse and popular group of flowering plants, known for their colorful blooms, attractive foliage, and versatility in gardens and containers. Begonias produce clusters of small, often brightly colored flowers in shades of pink, red, yellow, or white. Plant begonias along with other shade-loving plants to create vibrant and dynamic borders in shady areas. Hostas are primarily grown for their attractive leaves with variegated patterns, which come in various sizes, shapes, and colors. Hostas are ideal for shade gardens, providing a lush green backdrop, and combining beautifully with other shade-loving plants. Create a striking visual interest in landscapes by mass planting hostas in large groups for a dramatic display of foliage. Kramer's red heather, also known as Kramer's rote, is a beautiful and compact shrub that provides year-round interest, with particularly stunning winter and spring blooms. It produces deep magenta pink flowers that bloom from late winter through early spring when most other plants are in dormant. The flowers are small but numerous, creating a dense, colorful display. It prefers to grow in partial shade to partial sun areas, though it is very drought tolerant. Coral bells, known as Heuchera, are valued for their attractive foliage and colorful flowers, making them a popular choice for shady gardens and tree bordering areas. Coral bells comes in a wide range of shades, including green, purple, bronze, and variegated combinations. The leaves are often lobed, adding texture and interest to the garden. Coral bells produce tall slender stems, topped with airy clusters of small bell-shaped flowers. Baptisia false indigo lemon, also known as Baptisia lemon meringue, is a hardy perennial, known for its striking lemon-yellow flowers and attractive bushy form. Very low maintenance and long-lived plant, and known for its deer-resistant and pest-free nature. Baptisia develops deep roots, so it's best not to disturb or transplant it once established, so it is ideal to plant near to the tree areas. Aquilegia, commonly known as columbine, is a charming, delicate-looking shade perennial that adds grace and elegance to spring and early summer gardens. Columbine produces beautiful flowers in a wide range of colors, including purple, pink, yellow, red, and white. The flowers often have contrasting colors, adding to their visual appeal. They bloom from late spring to early summer. Columbine preference for partial shade makes it ideal for woodland or shade gardens. Persian shield, commonly known as royal purple plant, is a stunning tropical plant, known for its vibrant, metallic purple foliage. This can add a bold pop of color to your shade areas of outdoor garden. It also works well in mixed planters, or as a backdrop for other tropical plants. Persian shield is an annual plant or herbaceous perennial, depending on the climate. I hope you liked the content of this video. Please drop a like this video or add a comment. For more interesting garden videos, subscribe to House Talks channel, and click on bell button for immediate notifications.